Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can recover your Spotify account with your phone number. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm going to show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now in Spotify. So right now, I'm going to open a new page on my browser. Then in this new page, just go ahead and click on the search bar, then search for Spotify. Once you do that, go ahead and hit enter. Then right here, as you can see, you guys, you're going to find Spotify. Go ahead and click right here on this first link. Then as you can see, guys, here in the top right corner, you're going to find the option to sign up or to log into your account. Go ahead and click on login. And then as you can see, guys, right here, you're going to find all of the options to log into Spotify. So from here, you can continue with your Google account. You can continue with Facebook, continue with Apple. You can continue with your phone number. And as you can see, guys, right here, you can enter your email or username. And here you can enter your password. So right now, if you forgot your account password, for example, just go ahead and click on forgot your password right here. Then as you can see, guys, right here, in order to reset your password, you need to enter your email address or your username right here. As you can see, guys, there's no option to add your mobile number. You need to enter either your email address or your username. Enter your email address or username, and we'll send you a link to get back into your account. So basically, guys, in order to get the link, you need to enter your email address right here. Then go ahead and click on send link, and then you will receive the link in your email. So right now, I'm going to go to Gmail. And then as you can see, guys, I received the link right here. So this is it, guys, for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.